Have you ever noticed how every part of our body is always working? Your heart keeps beating, your lungs keep breathing, your kidneys are filtering toxins every second of the day, and we never complain. But when it comes to the mind, suddenly we want it to stop. We say things like, "Why am I thinking so much? Why can't I just turn my brain off? Why does my mind keep going even when I'm exhausted?" We never ask our eyes to stop seeing or our ears to stop hearing. But we expect the mind, the most powerful organ, to shut down at will. That's not how it works. Here's the truth. The problem isn't that your mind thinks too much. The problem is that it thinks without your control. And that lack of control leads to stress, anxiety, overthinking, sleepless nights, and emotional burnout. In this video, I'm going to show you how to understand why the mind does what it does, learn real techniques to stop overthinking, regain control of your thoughts, and finally, bring peace back into your life. So if you've ever found yourself lying in bed at 2 a.m., thinking about a conversation from 2 days ago, or worrying about something that hasn't even happened yet, this video is for you. And make sure you watch till the end, because I'll share one powerful mindset shift that can change the way you think forever. Let's begin. Let's get something straight. Overthinking is not a flaw. It's not your fault. In fact, it's a feature of your brain designed to protect you. Your mind's main job is to ensure survival, not to make you happy. So it constantly runs simulations. What if I fail this presentation? What if they don't like me? What if something bad happens? It's your brain's way of preparing for danger, even if that danger is just a bad meeting or an awkward conversation. This was helpful when humans lived in caves, where anticipating a lion attack could save your life. But today, it's not a lion you're fighting. It's your inbox, a breakup, a memory, an imaginary argument. The problem is, your brain doesn't know the difference between real danger and imagined problems, and it reacts the same way, triggering stress hormones, increasing heart rate, and keeping you stuck in thought loops. This leads to the cycle of stressful thoughts, physical tension, emotional anxiety, sleepless nights. So here's the good news. Once you understand that your brain is wired this way, you can start to outsmart it. You're not broken. You're human. Coming up next, I'll show you 5 proven methods to take control of your thoughts, stop the noise, and bring peace back into your day. All right, let's get to the practical stuff. Here are 5 simple yet powerful techniques you can use to gain control over your mind. Number 1. Name the thought. When a negative or spiraling thought enters your mind, call it out. Say, "This is anxiety. This is fear. This is overthinking." It may sound strange, but naming the thought creates distance between you and the emotion. You are not the thought, you're just the observer. Number 2. The 5-5-5 rule. Ask yourself, will this matter in 5 minutes, 5 days, 5 years? Most of the things we overthink about are temporary. This mental trick shrinks problems and gives perspective. It helps break the illusion that your current worry is life-changing. Number 3. Breathe with intention. Breath is the remote control for the mind. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat 3 times. This calms your nervous system and forces your brain to stop overprocessing. Breath work is scientifically proven to reduce stress and even lower cortisol levels. It's like a reset button for the brain. And we're not done yet. In the next part, I'll walk you through the next 2 powerful tools, including one weird trick involving your calendar that can change your relationship with your thoughts. Let's keep going. Let's finish our list of mind control techniques, with 2 more that you'll find incredibly useful. Number 4, write it down. Your brain is not a storage unit, it's a processor. Trying to hold dozens of thoughts in your head creates mental clutter, so unload it. Take 5 minutes, open a notebook, write everything on your mind, fears, to-dos, anxieties, emotions. There's power in putting thoughts on paper. It gives your brain permission to let go. Plus, you'll often find that writing turns confusion into clarity. Number 5. Schedule worry time. This might sound strange, but it works wonders. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes each day just to worry. Yes, put it on your calendar. Worry time, 6 p.m. When a stressful thought pops up during the day, tell yourself, I'll deal with that at 6. Most of the time, by the time worry hour comes around, those thoughts either feel irrelevant or are easier to handle. It's a way to train your brain to stay focused and not spiral all day. Now, before we end, I want to leave you with one final mindset shift, something that helped me and thousands of others break the overthinking cycle completely. And it might surprise you. So here's the final truth. Your mind is meant to think. Just like your heart beats and your eyes see, your mind thinks. That's its job. The goal is not to stop thinking. The goal is to take control of the direction of your thoughts. You don't stop your car engine just because it's noisy. You learn to drive it better. Same with your brain. When you build awareness, practice presence, and use the tools we shared, naming thoughts, the 5-5-5 rule, deep breathing, journaling, scheduling worry time, you begin to train your brain, you build mental muscles, and you step into the driver's seat of your life. It doesn't happen overnight. But every small practice adds up. So here's my challenge to you. Pick just one technique from this video. Try it today. Stick to it for 7 days. And tell me in the comments, which tool are you starting with? If this helped you, do 3 things. Like this video so it gets shared with someone else who needs peace. Subscribe to the channel for more tools on mental clarity and mindset, and share it with a friend who overthinks everything. You might just help them change their life. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. Let's stop surviving and start living. See you in the next video.